Hey miniature painting enthusiasts and God of War fans. Have you ever wanted to achieve stunningly realistic skin tones on your miniatures without complex layering or airbrushing? Today we are going to unlock a secret technique that will revolutionize your painting process. Wash only skin tones. I'm going to show how to transform this raw Mimir's head from world of God of War into lifelike masterpiece. Using nothing but washes, get ready to see how simple yet effective this method can be. Let's dive in. First things first, preparation is key. We start with our raw Mimir's head. To ensure our washes adhere perfectly and gives us the vibrant result we are looking for, we are going to apply a white primer on the entire surface. A smooth, even coat is crucial here. Once applied, patience is a virtue. Let it dry completely. This bright base will make our subsequent washes pop. With our primer dry, it's time to lay down our initial skin tone. Using airbrush, we will apply Vallejo dark flesh tone across the entire face and head of Mimir. Don't be shy, ensure full coverage. This will serve as our mid-tone, providing a rich foundation for the washes to build upon. Now for a touch of realism, to simulate subtle freckles and add texture to Mimir's skin, we will use a toothbrush. Load a small amount of paint onto the bristles, then gently spray or flick it onto the face. This creates a natural speckled effect that adds incredible depth and character. Here's where the magic begins. Our first wash. We are going in with red wash. Apply it generously over the entire skin surface. The key here is speed and control. Immediately after application, grab a clean, dry brush. Ideally, one you would use for dry brushing. Gently collect any excess wash, especially from the raised areas, ensuring you don't scratch the underlying color. This technique allows the wash to settle into the recesses, creating natural shadows and subtle flush. To speed up our process, a hairdryer can be your best friend to ensure it completely dry before the next step. Next up, we introduce a yellow wash. We will repeat the exact same process. Apply it evenly across the skin, then immediately use a clean dry brush to remove any excess. The yellow wash adds warmth and aged look perfect for Mimir's head. Ensure it fully dries before moving on. Now for the blue wash. This might seem counterintuitive for skin, but it's crucial for creating realistic undertones and subtle bruising effects, especially around the eyes and deeper shadows. Apply, clean, and dry, just as before. The blue wash adds a cool contrast, preventing the skin from looking too flat or artificial. Finally, we bring all together with flesh wash. This wash will help to harmonize all the previous colors, blending them seamlessly and adding another layer of natural skin tone. After applying and cleaning the excess, a crucial step for smoothness, lightly spray the surface with water. This helps further blend the washes, creating a soft, natural transition between the colors and giving that incredibly realistic, almost translucent skin effect. After completely drying, with dry brush method, I applied light flesh skin color on the skin, and I painted all the details which exist on Mimir's head. While the core technique is done, the true artistry comes from refining specific areas. For instance, to create subtle purple shadow under the eyes, you can repeat application of blue and red wash on those specific spots. For highlights and slightly yellowish hue on top of nose and forehead, repeat the yellow wash. And to deepen shadows on one side of the face, a targeted application of flesh wash works wonders. And there you have it, a realistic multi-dimensional skin tone achieved entirely with washes. This technique proves that you don't need complex layering to bring your miniature to life. The order of the washes, red, yellow, blue, and flesh, is the key for building that incredible depth and realism. I hope this tutorial inspires you to experiment with washes and elevate your miniature painting game. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like button, subscribe for more miniature painting tutorials, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. Happy painting!